With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. So this is the question in triangle ABC. If sin A by sin C is equal to sin A minus B upon sin B minus C, then A square, B square, C square are in option 1, A, B, C are in AP. Option 2, A square, B square, C square are in HP. Option 3, A, B, C are in HP. Option 4, A square, B square, C square are in HP. So now what is given to us? Sin A by sin C is equal to sin A minus B upon sin B minus C. This is given to us. So now sin pi minus theta is what? Sin theta. Correct? So A can be written as by angle sim property because it's a triangle. Since A plus B plus C is equal to pi, we know that. So A can be written as pi minus B plus C. We all know that. So just transform this. So what does this become? This becomes sin pi minus B plus C. And what does C become? C becomes pi minus A plus C. Sorry, C becomes pi minus A plus B. So this would become sin pi minus A plus B. Correct? And this remains the same, sin A minus B upon sin B minus C. So now sin pi minus theta is sin theta. So this would not change. This would become sin B plus C, and this would also be the same, sin A plus B is equal to sin A minus B upon sin B minus C. So on moving ahead in the question, so let us open the brackets and plug in the identities. So what do I get if I plug in the identities? So we'll cross multiply them. So it would become, this implies sin B plus C into sin B minus C is equal to sin A minus B into sin A plus B, because I'm seeing that there is a relation between something, because in both B and C are there, and on the RHS A and B are there. So now we can write this as 2 sin B plus C into sin B minus C is equal to 2 sin A plus B into sin A minus B. I have done nothing, just multiplied 2 on the either side. So we can see the identity over here, which clearly says this has become cos A minus cos B. So this has become cos 2C minus cos 2B is equal to cos 2B minus cos 2A. So just transpose. What do I get? I get 2 cos 2B is equal to cos 2A plus cos 2C. Correct? So now moving ahead, so this implies I can write cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sin square theta. We know that. So I can use that formula over here. And what do I get? 2 into 1 minus 2 sin square B is equal to 2 minus 2 sin square A minus 2 sin square C. I've written it along, or else I would have written 1 minus 2 sin square A, 1 minus 2 sin square C, and then added that. I just wrote it direct. So now this would become 2 into 2 minus 4, 2 minus, or rather let's cancel it. So this gets cancelled. So this gets cancelled with all 2's over here, and we are left with 1 minus 2 sin square B is equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square C. So now 1 and 1 gets cancelled and we are left with 2 sin square B is equal to sin square A plus sin square C. Correct? So now as we can see that sin square B, sin square A and sin square C, that if 2B is equal to A plus C, that means they are in AP. We know that. So we can say that sin square A, sin square A, sin square B and sin square C are in AP. If they are in AP, that means by using the sine rule. Now what does sine rule says? Sine rule says that A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C is equal to K. So if they are in AP, that means they'll also be in AP. So A square, B square, C square will be in AP as well, or rather ABC will be in AP. So let me check which option is the most suitable one. It is option 1, which is ABC are in AP. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.